Hello. Hi everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. As part of the today's session, I just want to give you a brief overview on how exactly I can handle the Bluetooth. Okay, so Surendra, why you are explaining about a Bluetooth? What is the significance of that? Are we gonna really use it? See, the point here, guys, whenever we are working on your project on a real devices, precisely on a certain scenarios, there are certain scenarios where you are interacting with the real devices via Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi on your mobile, and you wanna turn it off and turn it on. The toggle the status of a Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi, and check the connectivity of the physical devices. In such situations, you will be handling this Bluetooth turn on, off, and on basically. Ideally, certain applications need a basic permissions like a Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi default as in an on mode. Right, in order to access the physical devices nearby my mobile, basically. Okay, to get that situations right, consider that I wanna turn off. Okay, I wanna turn off my Bluetooth on a real device. See, basically, if you have a look into a simulator, okay, I'm just working on a simulator right now, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Whenever I was just looking into the settings, I didn't find these Bluetooth options here. But when you are working on a real devices, we do have an option to deal with a Bluetooth and as well as a Wi-Fi. So how exactly we can handle that situation? I will guide you with those steps here. So if you see the Safari delete cookies that we have covered in our previous sessions, guys. So we are launching the preferences app in which you are considering Safari as a cell and you are clicking on it. The similar way on a real device, right? Let me pull the real device, basically iPhone settings screen images. Okay, I just want to show you the images for this iPhone settings screen. See, if you can have a look into this one. Okay, settings general. Okay, so I think we have that here itself. Let me come back, see here. Okay, so if you see this particular image, open image in a new tab. Okay, I just opened this particular image in a new tab. So guys, if you have a look into this particular image, let me zoom in. Yes. So here, as and when you launch the settings on your real device, as and when, so this is the one that I'm opening right now is my simulator, and the screenshot that I'm showing you is this one, which is an image. As and when you launched your settings, just like a Safari as a cell, you have a Bluetooth also as a cell here. Okay, you have a Bluetooth also as a cell here. So let's come back. Okay, so function test Bluetooth off. Okay, I'm just turning off my Bluetooth. So what I'm doing right now means I wanna launch my settings app, and after I'm done with my activity, I'm just terminating it. And in the settings app, right, app dot the cells, the various cells that we have, among all those cells, I wanna deal with the Bluetooth cell. So here in the code, I want to deal with the Bluetooth, and I am performing a tap operation. So once after you selected this particular Bluetooth, okay, on a real device, whenever you selected that particular Bluetooth, right? So just a second, guys, just a second. Sorry about it. Okay, sorry, I'm back here. So what I have done right now is I was just choosing a Bluetooth cell. Okay, that's fine. So once after you selected this particular Bluetooth cell, right, from this particular screen, you will be navigated to the Bluetooth settings screen. So iPhone, let me open up this Bluetooth settings screen images. One second, let us see. So here, this is an image right now. Open image in a new tab. So once after you selected that particular option, you will be in this particular screen, which is a Bluetooth screen. Okay. And as and when by default, if your application is turning on this particular Bluetooth, here you do have a switch option. Basically, this is the switch. Okay, this is the switch. So you need to perform a switch operation tab. So here what I'm gonna do right now is app dot switches. Okay, so here app dot switches, and from those switches, whichever the Bluetooth switch is there, perform a tap operation on that particular switch. And after performing the tap operation on that particular switch, I wanna turn off. By default, considering that by default I'm considering that my Bluetooth is turned on, so I need to turn it off. So here I can use a button as a turn off. So guys, how Surendra, how you are writing this piece of a code without having a mobile device? If you get into that question, so guys, I have implemented this scenario in my in my mobile, where I do have a connectivity with a real device. So where I have a written this code, and which is a working piece of a code. Okay, this code is a working piece of a code in my real device. Okay, this is a working piece of a code in my real device. That's what I'm sharing with you guys here. So the only thing that you need to do is go to the Bluetooth, and from that particular Bluetooth, click on this turn off option. Automatically the Bluetooth will be turned off. Okay, automatically the Bluetooth will be turned off. For suppose if you want to turn on. Okay, so how exactly you can deal with it? See, basically, from the switches, if you perform that particular switch operation itself, automatically it will be turned on. So, 1 second. So, why my script is failed? Just 1 second. I think I did a copy paste issue. Just give me a minute. Let me come back. Okay, come back, back. Uh, okay. So, okay, okay. So, Control V, Control V. Okay, okay. Somehow I think the turn on logic was also deleted. Okay, the turn on logic was also deleted. Let me write it down. Function test Bluetooth off. Initially, I'm turning off my Bluetooth connectivity. So here, I'm rewriting this logic, guys. Somehow I deleted that piece of code. I'm just rewriting that piece of a code. So here, I'm clicking on app.cells off Bluetooth dot tab, and after that there is a switch basically with a name as a Bluetooth. Okay, you just need to tap on it, and then there is a button which is a turn off. Again, I'm just turning it off. That's it. So this is the logic how to turn off the Bluetooth, and in order to turn it on, right? So consider that I want to turn it on, basically the Bluetooth. So here there is a no turn off button on the mobile screen. If you tap on this particular switch, automatically the Bluetooth will be turned on. So this is the logic. These are the two pieces of a code, basically the functions of a code, using which I can turn off my Bluetooth and I can turn on my Bluetooth. Guys, this piece of a code already executed successfully on my machine, and I ran successfully on my real device. You can give it out a try and let me know if it is not working, so that I can help you out. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much. In the next session I'll show you how exactly we can turn off the Wi-Fi also. I will show you in the next session. Thank you.